Hi, friends. Thanks so much for joining me today. I'm going to do something a little different because I'm going to show you a recipe for a really tasty snack that is so delicious. My husband and I fell in love with it during the pandemic, and the only way I am able to get it if I don't make it myself is to order it. And I try not to order it because then we order like 12 bags of it, and then that's way too excessive. So, to cut down on it, I make just a small amount of this popcorn treat that I want to show you today. So let's go ahead and get started.
Don't forget to subscribe because there's more to come.
Now, here is a bit of a secret shame. While the microwave was working on the peanut butter and the chocolate, I went ahead and popped some more popcorn. Why? Because that little amount would just end up as an argument as to who ate more or who ate whose portion. So now that I have the popcorn and the peanut butter and chocolate mixture, I'm just going to drizzle this mixture on the popcorn and be as liberal as you want. We, like I said, we love this snack. We don't get it too often, but the game comes on tonight, and this is a perfect snack to watch the game. Go Warriors. I'm gonna try some little bit more here. Now, when I make this, when guests come over, I do use gloves so that I can mix it up evenly, and it just makes for a more even coating. But with just the two of us, we're okay. Okay, now it's time to taste. Oops. That is perfect. Take a look. I don't know if I tasted it from the side. Let's see what that tastes like. Not quite sure, might need a little bit more. Still a little unsure. I don't know if my husband's gonna want this.
Hey, is that popcorn I smell?
Did you say something?
See you soon.